Boy, is it cold this morning.
Nice brisk morning.
Welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are in booth 319 at the QUARTZSITE Super RV show.
Yeah, is this 42 years now?
Yeah, 42 years.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, but it is cold. I mean,
Yes.
Ninette went over. Yeah, Ninette went and got some coffee, and she said they had water out for the dogs, and it was froze solid.
Yeah, 5 inches. I mean, it
and
was
I
cold last
seen
night.
ice out on the one of the steps over here, so it's like, wow. So anyway, yeah. So we're gonna check out some more things today and see what we can find for you guys. So stay tuned. We got Bill here with Superior Drive Lines. This looks pretty interesting. So Bill, can you tell us about that?
Yeah, we've been doing this. It used to be with Remco, and it's Superior Driveline now, but it's been out for 46 years, and we machine this coupling. It's 3 pieces that we build, and to make a complete drive shaft with the disconnect. So it allows you to tow a rear-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive behind the motorhome on all 4 wheels. It comes with the shifter mechanism that mounts on the rear end, and the cable runs up to the driver's seat, so you don't have to get underneath the vehicle. You can do it right from the seat, and it slides this collar across. Now you're towing it, and the rear wheels are spinning up to this point on a sealed bearing, but the transmission is sitting still, so that way you just tow it on all 4s in park, and you can tow it all day long with no issues. When you're done towing it, it slides that collar back across. Now it's just like a regular drive shaft. You drive it, you can 4-wheel, it'll handle 700 horse. We put them on 700 horse race cars. It'll handle anything you can give it.
So it's not specific to a make, it's whatever.
Right, as long as it's a rear-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive that's not towable, we can do quite a few different ones. It won't work on a front-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive.
And the price for this, I heard her earlier talking about, it really depends, right, on what you're trying to do, what vehicle, and...
Right, each vehicle has kind of a different style drive shaft, but they range from $1,000 to $2,000 depending on the vehicle.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, we are here with Cheryl and Will. This is Nationwide Fuel. This is new, isn't it? Because I've never heard of it before.
The program's relatively new. We're a company that deals with large transportation companies. We've opened up the program to the RV community 3 years ago. So it's a diesel discount program.
Is it only diesel or?
It's only diesel in the US, but in Canada we have gasoline and diesel.
Okay, and you are a Canadian-based company.
We are a Canadian-based company out of Surrey, BC.
Okay, and one of the things that you were telling me the other day, that because I signed up for this, was the fact that you can also, instead of just doing a bank account, you could do a credit card.
So in Canada we do both. We do credit card and bank account.
Okay.
But in the US, for US customers, we do only credit cards. So you're going to receive a discount off your diesel, plus you're going to get your point system that you have with whatever credit card you have attached.
Yeah, and I like that because we all do the points, right?
We all do the points.
Yeah. So what's the process of applying? We got some brochure here in your
So
camera.
it's a simple online process. So you're going to go to nationwidefuel.ca.
They're aliens. Oh, you're doing a video?
Yeah.
So you go to nationwidefuel.ca and you're going to do an application. There's going to be an apply online, and you're going to go to the RV website or RV portion, and you're just going to do a simple 2 or 3 minute application, and cards are going to be mailed out to you within 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay. And one thing I noticed when I applied was it does ask for your Social Security number.
Correct.
And then, of course, your
Driver's license.
and credit card information.
Yes.
So you're doing a credit check. Or are you doing a credit check? Is
We
that
are
what that's
doing a
for,
credit
or-
check. Yes, because
Okay.
the card is it's a fuel credit card.
Okay.
So we're giving you 1 week's worth of credit. So we're taking on that 1 week worth of credit. So that's why we do the.
Okay, because the process is that we're using it. You send out notices.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you to jump in here
Yeah,
because
so-
I remember you telling me something
So what
about this.
what you're doing is you're going to fill up at in the U.S. it's going to be a TA or Petro,
Okay.
and you're going to fill up at those stations in the truck lanes. You're going to use your card, your EFS card that's going to be sent to you once you apply and you get the process done. You're going to fill up either you get your diesel, your DEF, and windshield washer right at the pumps. You're going to drive away after you fill up. We're going to send you a summary at the end of the day on what you have purchased. And every Sunday we're going to send you a statement showing you your purchase. Your purchases are going to save you anywhere between 40 cents and $1 per gallon, depending on the state and the location that you're at. And then every Monday morning we're going to apply whatever your invoice is to your credit card. So we do a weekly billing. You get 1 week worth of credit. That's why we do a credit check. And then the payments get applied to your credit card. So you're going to get your credit card bonus as well as your discount on the pumps.
Pretty simple process.
Pretty simple.
Okay, great. Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
We are visiting Fantasy RV Tours. I've seen them out around the country quite a bit. This is Chris. And so, Chris, can you tell us maybe a little bit about this and how people get involved if they're interested?
Hello folks, Fantasy RV Tours, we've been an organization that's been running tours and rallies for over 17 years. We've helped guide people to their bucket list spots for over 17 years. 85,000 people have been on our tours and rallies. You can come to see us at most RV shows, or you can go online to fantasyrvtours.com.
Great, and then they just pick out whichever tour they want because you have multiple.
All the descriptions of all the tours and our rallies are on our website, and that's probably the easiest way to find out where, when, and how much.
All right, cool. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey everybody, we have finished day number 2. What a day. This wasn't quite as busy as yesterday though, so a little interesting. But we did find some pretty cool things. I think I'm really excited about the fuel card, so I'm gonna get registered for that and check out the fuel savings there. We already have open roads, so there's that. And then the fantasy tours, we've actually met a couple people on those fantasy tours, and that was pretty cool. So and then also that driveline thing, I know a lot of people that might be good for. So we had fun with that, and hopefully that'll be good for you. But Ninette's got a special treat here after this. We're going to do what? What are you doing here?
The parade of dogs.
Yep. So
The dogs of the tent.
She has been taking pictures of the dogs that have been visiting
Yes.
because there are a lot of cute dogs. We have not seen anyone with a cat.
No cats yet.
No cats. So anyway, so this
David
is
did his presentation and he did a very good
oh
job.
yeah, we did the presentation today. Our next presentation will be on Wednesday at 2 o'clock. We remember we're in booth 319, so come by and see us. Otherwise, we will see you down the road and hopefully here at the tent. So you guys all take care. Bye.